this is our backdrop. It's okay, it's 1 year old birthday, so pretty much this is how everything is looking. I'll go get him now from his room. This is the birthday boy. This is the birthday boy. Take. Taste the sweet. So it's been a couple of days now, and today basically we're going to be doing our unboxing, and I have my little helper here with me. We just had a very little get together, so this is a couple of days later, and we're just gonna quickly do this. All right, I just wanted to share it with you all, and remember to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And just in case you're wondering why I have a hoodie on, in this house we have different temperatures, so some people are colder than others, while some people will crank the AC up to the highest, but it's all good. Say hi. Hi. So guys, the very first gift we're gonna be opening is from a friend and a husband. So everybody meets Mickey Mouse.
Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
We just have a smaller one, so it's not like this is all new. This is the senior brother, and the other one will be the junior brother. So I'm going to keep this aside, and I think the next thing we're gonna open is this. This is also from a friend, and this is how it's looking. So basically it's kind of like a tray or something like that. So okay, it's like having fun, guys, with everything here. So just in case you hear the voice, I'm just gonna try to open this up. No. Basically I just brought everything out. It's a whole bunch of different parts, all like in bags, little bags and everything, and stuff like this, and then this is the Mickey Mouse itself. Like, okay, it's having so much fun, right? You like? Huh?
Gosh, I've got a schedule to keep.
Alright. Okay, stand up. The next one I'm going to open, I'm going to be honest, I was so excited. I don't know how many of you get excited when you get your baby stuff. I'm one of them, and I really want to see how he takes to it. So this is not new per se because I already opened it up. So this is one of the stuff we got him, and it's basically an educational toy that helps you tell the alphabet. So I think I got this for him a day before his birthday, and it lights up.
Ready for an alphabet.
Alright. So that's it. So it has the
Lower the alphabet.
Alphabet Explorer, Hungry Worm. Oh goodness, the noise in all these things sometimes is too much. How do you get this thing to shut up? Oh goodness. Okay. Oh, I see it now. So now it's not gonna make noise again.
To learn.
Sometimes the noise is crazy. So
Let's listen and spell.
so this is basically how it is.
I'm hungry. Catch the flashing apple.
So it teaches the child how to, the later. He's probably too young for this, but I really wanted to start early. And the other thing we got him was this. It's what I think I probably turned it off.
Keep looking. Catch
See?
the flashing apple. You're fast.
Alright. That's enough. Good. Monkey see, monkey do. What happened? Come on, sing. Sing. What? You're done? That's too fast. Alright. So basically So basically these are like two of the toys we got, and also I wanted to mention that in as much we do believe in getting regular toys, we believe in getting something that's long term, like that he's gonna appreciate much more far into the future. So which is what we also did for him. Imagine going to school, guys, without having to worry about school loans or about how to pay your fees and all that kind of stuff. It's a whole lot easier that way. That's what we decided to do. So we're gonna go to the next gift, guys, and let's see. The next gift is from a friend, and you know yourself if you're watching this is a barbecue grill for babies or for kids. So I'm guessing it comes in different parts. I'm not going to open this because, guys, like, this whole place is a mess already. Okay, it's having so much fun. There's so many little parts and things on the floor, so I'm not even going to add to it. So basically this is how it's looking, and this is the back. So it's kind of a pretend play situation or a pretend play thing. So thank you so much. Like, this boy is totally spoiled. Like, he has a lot of stuff. So the very last one, guys, we're gonna open, or rather we are not opening it because I can't even set it up, is this thing here. He's not interested. So basically this is the very last one, and it's just a ride along car, and it's from his godparents, Augusta and husband. So this is really the most exciting. This is really the one thing I'm super excited about, because I really wanted this for him, and luckily we got it. How many of you, while growing up, can actually say you had godparents who were very generous, like super generous? Like, this is a ride along car that's gonna actually fit him, and I'm also excited because I get to take like a matching picture with him because it's the same type of car as mine and the same color. So I'm just going to insert what it looks like when it's all set up, because honestly I'm not gonna open it because. So this is it, and for the gifts, I think that's pretty much it. So I want to say a big thank you to everybody who celebrated with us, who came for his party, and also who sent messages and calls and all that. I really do appreciate. We appreciate. Thank you so much. So that's it for today's video. Thank you, guys, and with that we are saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you some other time. Bye. Say bye.